BJP President B.Y. Vijayendra has said that the party will pursue the issue of alleged cross-voting by some of its MLAs in last week's Legislative Council elections in its logical conclusion. Addressing the media on June 21st, Vijayendra announced that BJP legislators would be asked to take a Pramaana, which means oath, before Lord Manjunatha at Dharmasthala during a BJP Legislature Party meeting likely to be held next week. Vijayendra described the alleged cross-voting as a betrayal by some party MLAs and said the oath-taking exercise was intended to establish accountability within the party. He stated that the suspicion had fallen on 63 BJP legislators following reports that 4 MLAs had cross-voted during the MLC elections. Dharmasthala, located on the banks of the Netravati River in Dakshina Kannada district, is a renowned pilgrimage center with an 800-year history. It is widely believed that anyone who speaks falsely before Lord Manjunatha faces severe consequences. Referring to the significance of the venue, Vijayendra said, "However big we may be, we all believe in God." The BJP state chief further revealed that he, along with leader of the opposition R. Ashoka and other party leaders, had been summoned to New Delhi by BJP National President Nitin Nabin in connection with the controversy surrounding the alleged cross-voting. To investigate the matter, the BJP has constituted a fact-finding committee comprising senior leaders C.T. Ravi, Mahesh Tenginakai and N. Mahesh. The committee has been tasked with probing the circumstances that led to the suspected cross-voting and identifying those responsible. The controversy stems from the Legislative Council election results in which the Congress won 5 of the 7 seats and that went to the polls, while the BJP secured 2 seats. The JDS failed to win the lone seat it contested. The Congress received 151 votes, 11 more than its expected tally of 140 votes, leading to the BJP to suspect that some opposition legislators had voted in favor of Congress candidates. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.